Can I recover the emails that were automatically deleted from my Gmail account?
Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we're going to be discussing a common problem many of us encounter. Can we recover emails that have been automatically deleted from our Gmail account? The short answer is yes. In most cases you can. Let's dive into the details and find out how you can do this.
Why do emails get automatically deleted?
Before we dive into the recovery process, it's crucial to understand why emails get automatically deleted in the first place. In Gmail, emails are automatically deleted when they've been in the spam or trash folders for 30 days. Additionally, if your mailbox is full, some older emails might be removed to make room for new ones.
How can I recover my emails?
Recovering your deleted emails largely depends on where they were deleted from and how much time has passed since the deletion. If they're in the trash, if your emails have been sent to the trash, they will remain there for 30 days. You can easily recover them within this time frame by following these steps. 1. Open Gmail and find the Trash folder on the left side. 2. Search for your deleted emails. 3. Select the emails you want to recover. 4. Click on the Move to icon and select the destination, inbox, or any other folder. If they're permanently deleted, in case the emails are permanently deleted, not in the trash, things can be a little trickier. 1. Contact Gmail support. You can try reaching out to Google support. While there's no guarantee they can recover your emails, it's worth trying if the emails are crucial. 2. Check with third-party applications. If your Gmail account is synced with a third-party email client, there's a chance the deleted emails are still there. Remember, act fast. The sooner you attempt to recover your deleted emails, the better your chances.
How can I prevent my emails from being automatically deleted?
Prevention is always better than cure, and there are a few steps you can take to prevent your emails from being automatically deleted. 1. Regularly clean your mailbox. If your mailbox is getting full, try to delete or archive old emails that you no longer need. 2. Check your settings. In Gmail, there are filters and settings that might cause emails to be automatically sent to trash. Make sure these settings are configured according to your needs. That's all for today's tutorial on recovering automatically deleted emails from your Gmail account. While the process might seem complex at first, it's fairly straightforward once you know what to do. But remember, the best solution is always to prevent emails from getting deleted in the first place by managing your mailbox properly. We hope this video has been helpful and wish you the best of luck with your email recovery efforts.